go! We did it, boys! We did it! And the ladies, of course. But let me check how many ladies we got in here. Ah, my 4.5% of ladies. So I guess that means if we're at 10,000, we got 450 ladies in here. Hello, hello. If you're new, I'm Sinclair Photos, and welcome to the ever-growing Sinclair Photos family. We're 10,000 strong now, and I cannot thank you enough. My heart is full of joy, and to prove it to you, when it happened this morning, I'll put in this video I added to my Snapchat story. 10,000 subscribers. I honestly never thought I'd get this far. I know everybody says that, but when you start uploading and your first videos only get 1 to 2, maybe 10 views, and they're all you going back and rewatching the video over again and checking if anybody else got to see it, it makes you feel good when you see the comma with 4 zeros all around it. Oh my God, I'm happy. So I guess this is one big thank you video, and I also want to talk about the future of Sinclair Photos, because believe me, we ain't even close to being done yet. We got started trekking up this hill of subscribers, and we've come to our first little pit stop to rest, get some gas, and then we're going to keep chugging along to the top. So with that being said, thank you. This was my goal for the year. We got it, what, 27 days early. 10,000 subscribers by the end of 2018 was my goal for the year for the channel. And I've seen kind of a trend. I don't know if it's with everybody's channel or just mine, but the first year, my whole first 365 days of this channel, I went from 0 to 100 subs. Then the next year, this is year 2, year 1 to year 2, I went from 100 subs to 1,000 subs. So that was times 10. Yeah, times 10 from year 1 to year 2. Then from year 2 to now, the end of year 2, beginning of year 3, we went from 1,000 subs to 10,000 subs. So another times 10 trend. So that means if we're steady climbing on this little slope we're going on, end of next year, times 10 is 100,000 subscribers. Now, is that going to happen? I don't know. I hope it happens. That means I won't have to go to college, and I'll get to be a YouTuber full time like I've always wanted. But I'm going to wait to see that number before we make any of those decisions. But yeah, that's the way things are looking. But I just want to set my goal right now, end of year 2, beginning of year 3. By the end of year 3, I want to hit 20,000 subs. So double this channel right here. Double this family, this community we have made here on this channel. And one more thing. I want to get a new car. Now, there's a lot of different things that could happen with this. But my goal is to get a Scion FRS. And I guess I should have that be the goal, but I want to take it even further. I want to take it one step up a notch, because that's just who the man I am. I want to take everything up to 11. I want to complete, if you even can complete it, a Rocket Bunny build, Pandam Rocket Bunny kit stage 3.5 or 3, whatever I can get my hands on, by the end of 2019. Now, I can't do that without y'all. I have another job, but this is kind of my main source of income, and it's still not like that much, so I better start saving, is what I'm trying to say. And yeah, so 20,000 subs and a fully built Rocket Bunny stage 3 to 3.5 Pandam kit on the FRS by the end of the year. I know it probably can be done, but I'm really gonna start pounding it out. Now, what would be really cool is if I could build it with somebody that knows how to build the car. Because I don't really want to just send it to a shop, get the car, get the parts, send it to a shop, and have them do the whole thing. I kind of want to be invested in the car, take my time, like do it myself, cut the fenders, put on the big wing, and all that stuff like myself. And there's only one person I know that I've met that knows how to do that, and that's TJ Hunt. So it'd be really, really cool if somehow we could get this video in front of TJ Hunt's eyes. Comment if you're watching this, TJ. I hope you see this. But I want to build the car like with him if possible, because his looks sick. His is almost the exact same way I want it. Just maybe change a couple of things here and there for my pleasure. But if we could do that, that'd kick this channel to a whole nother level. Him being in the whole process and just the whole build, documentary, all that stuff, that'd be so cool. But it's a dream right now. We're going to try to get it in motion. So that's what I want. If you're watching this, TJ, comment or hit me up in the DMs at Sinclair Photos on Instagram. I already follow you, but we'll see, buddy. I actually want to tell you a story now of how I got started on here and what has motivated me to keep going. So the story I'm going to tell y'all today is the time I met TJ Hunt. So I went to Ferrari Houston one day. I think this was when I had I think it was around 100 subs, 104. I went, it was a rainy day. I went by myself to just look at the Ferrari dealership because I liked going and looking at them. And I pull up, hop inside, check them out, like talking to the receptionist lady or whatever. And I think like a Land Rover or something pulls up, and Christian Guzman and this guy hop out. And I'm like, oh my God, I know Christian Guzman. He's a Houston YouTuber as well, the fitness guy. He's got like 600,000 subs at the time. I'm freaking out. So he's walking in, checking out all the Ferraris. I think he ended up buying like a 458 or something. But he was with this guy. And the guy would he was talking to some person, and the guy went to the back. And I was in the back. And I was like, hey, dude, and just talking to him about the cars. I was like, you know who that is out there? That's Christian Guzman. He's got so many subs or whatever. He's like, oh, yeah. I do YouTube too. We're kind of like both really big. I was like, oh, what's your channel? He's like, TJ Hunt. I was like, oh, that's cool. I've never heard of that before. And he showed me his stuff and all his cool videos or whatever. And he was like, what are you doing here? Do you take pictures or what? I was like, oh, I do YouTube too. And he's like, oh, you do? What's your channel? I was like, Sinclair Photos. And he pulled up my channel and subscribed to me right there. He was like my 104th sub. Now, I don't think he subbed to me anymore, but just seeing that, he had 400,000 at the time, I remember. And just to see somebody with that many people say that I could do it or whatever and subscribe to me made me feel so dang good. And I was asking him, I was like, is there any one piece of advice you could share to somebody who wants to get started like myself that I could hold on to and help with everybody else that wants to get help? And he told me, he said, just keep uploading. One of these days, a video will hit it. And ever since then, I have lived by that motto, just keep uploading. And trying to better my content as the years go on. That's just what I've been living by. I do every other day uploads when I do have the videos to do it. But if any of y'all need any help, that's my word of advice I can give to you. Anybody who wants to start a channel, if you have 100 subs, I don't care if you have 100,000. I don't care when I hit 100,000. Just keep uploading. Something's going to take off. And about 6 months later, it did. I hit the Mustang crash video, bam, right on the head. 700,000 views, catapulted me into, I guess, a little bit of relevancy, I felt. Made me feel so good. And yeah, ever since then, it's just been banging out videos, because this is really what I want to do for the rest of my life if I can. I kind of got the same dream as the Strad man, just to be full-time YouTuber. I watched his video the other day too. That was really motivating, his little story he gave. But hopefully all y'all stick around, be active part of the family for all the years to come. I promise you, things are just going to get crazier and crazier on this channel as we proceed into 2019, hopefully with the FRS/BRZ full build process and all the crazy car meets and shenanigans y'all see on a regular basis. So, let's think if there's anything else I need to talk about. Oh, yes. My boys that have helped me out, I just want to shout them out real quick. Shout out to Drew and Mike and Mason for being my OG crew, sticking with me all the time. If y'all ain't checking them out on all their platforms, go check them out. I'll try to put them in the description if I remember. Thank you to Car Spotter Nick on Instagram. He's been DMing me ever since I was probably like 100 subs or something like that. We've been talking all back and forth. Constant encouragement from the guy. Gotta love him. Pagani Lover 2. If you're watching this, thank you very much. Also another fan subscriber from the northern part of the country that's helped me out. Huge shout out to Brian Sheeron. You're the man. He's been supporting me from the very beginning. My boy Patrick, my mom, my dad, everyone, my brother, Snuff God. Thank you to everyone that's helped me out so far on this journey. Thank you to everyone I've met along the way. We've made a lot of good friendships and connections. And just know, if I've ever spoken to you in person, I know I'm just rattling off the top of my head right now, people, but thank you. If I've ever talked to you in person, thank you. You have helped me so much, like, confidence-wise. If anybody that comes up to me tells me how much y'all love the videos at the car meets, y'all have really boosted it. Any of y'all that left a comment, liked the video, everything y'all do, positive, just impacts me so much and makes me want to keep making videos for y'all. So thank you for 10,000 subscribers. We're closing out 2018 with a bang. I got so much good content coming down the pipe for y'all every other day. Make sure you're here 5 p.m. Texas time. I don't know, that's going to be your time because we have people all around the world now. So without further ado, I just want to say thank you one more time for 10,000 subscribers on December 3rd, 2018, baby. If you liked the video, smash that like button, subscribe if you're new, ring that bell, and I'll see you in the next video.